All right, guys, and we are back. We have three Apex funded accounts pulled up now. On the right, balance is 0 on the day. We passed these last week on Friday. You can just go back and rewatch the video. I'm gonna try to take some trades here on the funded accounts now. Let's take a look what the market is doing. So Nasdaq has been selling off. We had a couple of trend lines drawn here. Let's see if it respected any of them. Okay, it looks like we're bouncing off here, right? We had 1, 2, so second reaction. What do you think is going to happen? We're going to bounce. I could try taking one long to see if we get some sort of reaction. Should we try? We're definitely making lower highs and lower lows here, so it's a bit risky, to be honest with you. Sellers are in control. Just hoping for a little bit bounce here at this trend line. Also, I'm looking at a breakout potentially here, like this. Come on, didn't fill this for some reason. It's playing games. It's trapping some. Alright, let's see if we can. While this trade is working, I'm going to switch over to another screen. We're back. Trying to do a breakout trade here. Okay, we're in. The idea here is the market is squeezing up a little bit now. All right. Okay. Okay. All right, we're done with this trade. Okay, so we did well on this trade. This is a $340 profit. And the other account, we scored $705. We kind of scaled out here. So the profit is smaller, and the other one we kind of let it run, and we entered a little sooner. So we got a few more points. Here you go, just so you could see. Entered here, we ran some stops over here, took them out. missed out on 5 more points. Could have been huge, but I'm gonna be happy with a $705 win. It's pretty good. And $340 on the other account. So $1,000 in unfunded accounts. Let's look for another trade. Feel like there might be some stops here. I think this is like a good trap here for shorts. We'll see how it plays out. If I'm wrong on this trade, then I'm gonna try to add here and try to kind of scale out a little bit, little by little. You know. Let me fix this chart a little bit. Okay. All right. You can see a little better here now. All right, let's see. Trying to grab this wick here. Could also decide to just rip from here. Trying to corner this trade. The buy stop is probably not the, it's kind of risky, but I just don't want to miss the trade in case it decides to jump up. All right, I might not need to do that. Looks like we're about to get filled here. Okay. All right. Nope, we're not bouncing much at all. I might just move this here like this. He might have trapped us a little bit. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Okay, I think I see what's going on. All right, let's go back to our strategy with big, beautiful rectangles. All right, let's draw one right here. Okay, so it looks like we might have some interest over here. And of course, some interest over here. All right, let's look for some more of those big, beautiful rectangles where we could place them. All right, so we definitely have this guy, this rectangle we just placed. Let's look for another one. All right, so we have this bull flag. I'm gonna draw a rectangle. Move it up like this. Okay. Place it here. Let's look for another. All right, well, this bull flag essentially engulfs this previous one, so I guess the bottom of it would be another point of entry for us. All right, so I'm gonna place a few orders here, see how they play out. Let me just zoom out a little bit so you can see this a little better. Okay. I'm gonna go get some coffee and come back in a few minutes. Okay, it looks like we're out of this trade. $121. Not bad. Okay, so we broke this trend line, I think, right? Now we're just retesting it. And then I'm assuming we're gonna fall from here. I hate to assume, but let's give it a try. I don't like to, I hate shorting. No, I don't like shorting. There's definitely a room to fall. I'd say down to about 23,770. The reason I'm afraid to short here is that I think it looks like it may be bull flagging now. Things tend to happen when the market bull flags. Could be completely wrong on that. Sorry, I keep moving this. Try and get a better visual on the market here. Okay, it looks like we want a bull flag here. Who knows, we might break out. And if we do, I want to be in this trade for sure. It's gonna be a big trade, but we have to try it to set up. If this breaks out, we definitely have some room to run, potentially even take out those stops on top. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Then we catch it at the bottom. Well, nobody knows where the bottom is, but we'll try to catch it lower. Let's use that term. Okay. If this trade works out, this will be the last trade of the day for me. So let's hope this will be quick and painless. In a good way. Alright. Alright, we're in. It's not going anywhere. I don't like that. I like it to run quicker. I thought I asked for it to go faster. Okay. Just gonna have a sip. Okay, okay. Okay. I like to keep my promises. This was the last trade of the day. I'm gonna go play some tennis now with my wife. Alright, I hope she brings her A game today. And so let's take a quick review. We made almost $1,500 across 3 accounts. I think that's pretty good for how long was the stream? For 15 minutes. 1,500, 15 minutes. So $100 a minute. That's a pretty good rate. I like that rate. Let's keep them coming. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day. Trade smart. What did they say? Patient and wait for your A setups, A plus setups. Just remember, this channel is for entertainment only. Just want my friends to see how I trade. Don't copy me. Just if you have any comments, please leave them below. I'd love to answer your questions. Subscribe, like the channel. If you want to follow and see more of my trades, I will post my trades every day. I trade live on YouTube, so please feel free to subscribe and watch me trade later on as we attack these accounts. Okay, we will. I'm gonna trade more Apex evaluations, take profit trader evaluations, and my funded future evaluations in the coming days. And in addition, now we have funded accounts, so we'll trade those as well. Okay, I'll keep you posted, and I'll